International Cap Factory, CAPEX, is one of the largest integrated and specialized factories in the field of metal caps in the Middle East, and one of the fastest growing metal packaging factories in production and export, with annual production exceeding 1 billion metal caps. Specialized in the manufacture of metal caps that are used to close various metal and glass bottles to meet the needs of its customers in the food and beverage industry sector globally. Thanks to the expertise and skill it has, and supported by the latest American and German technologies in production and printing lines, and its reliance on the finest raw materials, International CAPEX, have been characterized by diversity, comprehensiveness, and quality of its products, which included twist caps, snap-on, easy open ends, EOE, peel-off lids, POE, in addition to tin plate in sheets, cutting, coating and printing services. Massive and diversified production quantities adhere to quality and safety standards in a specialized laboratory equipped with testing devices, quality inspection and simulation of cap closures. The specialization pursued by International CAPEX in its production and its commitment to international standards has earned it leadership and excellence in its field. It continues to develop its products to serve the goals of its customers and their production and distribution plans in the short and long term. Al-Wataniya for Industries. National industry with international quality.